Hey guys, I'm Ray. So this right here is a hammer eye punch. I really want to make a hammer eye drift out of this piece of steel. These two need to match, and if we look at the two, you can totally see that this guy is a lot skinnier. Last night I had a really genius idea, or a terrible idea, and instead of hammering it on its four sides, I'm gonna hammer it on the corners. So now I'm gonna actually compare this together, and that's actually looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I think what we're gonna do is move on to the press and continue this taper down a little. Beautiful. So I've been kind of using this guy right here as kind of a judge, right? It's about where we want it. Okay, so we're gonna check it again. I think we're doing pretty good. I think that's a pretty good snug fit. You've got to spend a little bit of time at the grinder with it. We're gonna call this done.